Hi, I'm Terry Coles, the Portugal correspondent for International Living. Welcome to Villamore, Portugal, a resort community built around 6 golf courses, gorgeous beaches, a large marina, equestrian center, and lots more. As we drive into the pretty manicured landscape here, we'll take you to our little neighborhood next. And this is our little neighborhood. It's called Encosta das Oliveiras, which means hills of olive trees. Beautiful olive trees everywhere you look. This is a planned community, so everything is perfectly manicured and kept cut and trimmed and cleaned. That's a food delivery motorcycle there. This is the back of our complex. There's 14 units here. Most of them are vacation rentals in the summer. This is what we see when we drive up. This is Villa Baidos. We enter through an automatic gate into the underground parking garage. We have a garage space, but since this is off-season, we tend to just park in someone else's outdoor space. A beautiful outdoor promenade with a lovely pool, small garden. That's our apartment on the top with that red throw over the furniture. This is our private landing. Now come on into our apartment and we'll show you around. This apartment is 80 meters squared, so a little under 900 square feet. Our rent for this apartment is 850 euros a month, which is about 920 US dollars. This is an outdoor barbecue and a view overlooking the promenade and the pool. The refrigerator is built in. It's that thing on the left, 2 levels. That's a washer-dryer combo. Because refrigerators are tiny throughout Europe, most of the produce is kept outside, and that was the storage unit that we found in IKEA. We got a brand new water heater. This is on demand. That was just replaced a few days ago. That's my workspace. This is part of our guest bedroom. We have built-in wardrobes in both of the bedrooms, which make it very convenient. This is the master. Every room has a little balcony off of it too. This is one of the 2 bathrooms. One has a shower, as you can see here. And the other one has a full bathtub. Pretty modern construction. The complex is about 14 years old now. Now that you've seen our apartment, follow me and let's go have a look around the neighborhood. This is the Villamore Marina, which is one of the largest in Europe. It can berth up to 1,000 vessels. In the summer, this place is packed with tourists. Obviously, this is off-season. Quiet, tranquil, lots of restaurants and shops. This is Falésia Beach, and Falésia in Portuguese means cliffs because of those beautiful orange cliffs that line the coastline. On top of the cliffs, there's walking trails. This is one of the many parks in Villamore with tons of walking, biking, and jogging trails. Villamore is all about an outdoor lifestyle, so it's easy to go out and take a walk. There's safe paths throughout. Easy to keep fit here and get the incentive by seeing other people doing it. This is our gym about 5 minutes away in the nearby town of Quarteira, New Life Fitness. As we go inside on this quiet day, you'll notice all of the signs are in English. Most of the staff here does speak English, so the language barrier has not been a problem. This is Laura Ayres' Escola Secundaria, which is a high school. This is where we're currently taking free Portuguese classes, which are offered by the Portuguese government. It's a lovely campus spread out to many different classrooms. This is our Professora de Português, Rosario. There is no English spoken in that classroom. This is a little supermarket within walking distance from our house. There's also a cafe and a restaurant there. This is Continente, one of the major supermarket chains throughout the country. This is a designer outlet mall about 20 minutes from where we live, and it's connected to this massive shopping complex with a giant food court, a cinema that runs movies in English with Portuguese subtitles. And this is IKEA. Everyone loves walking through IKEA. This is a clinic in Villamore that's connected with Hospital Particular do Algarve. Particular in Portuguese means private. This is HPA Hospital in Gambelas, which is about 25 minutes from our house. It's our complex at sunset, just beautiful sunsets that we get here in Portugal. I hope you enjoyed a little tour of our apartment and town in Villamore, Portugal. And if you'd like more information, you can click on the link below.